Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears with Agar Agar powder. First, gather your ingredients: fruit juice, a sweetener like sugar or honey, and of course, Agar Agar powder. Agar Agar is a fantastic plant-based alternative to traditional gelatin. You'll also need some fun silicone molds, ideally in a gummy bear shape, to give your treats their classic look. Let's get cooking. Now let's get to the stove. In a saucepan, combine your fruit juice, sweetener, and the Agar Agar powder. Whisk everything together thoroughly before turning on the heat. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it comes to a rolling boil. Keep it boiling for about 2 to 3 minutes. This ensures the Agar Agar fully dissolves and activates, giving you perfectly set gummies. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: these amazing leak-proof containers are perfect for keeping your delicious homemade gummies fresh. They are super handy for meal prep too, or just storing any snacks. Check the description below for a link to these containers and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your mixture has boiled, carefully remove it from the heat. Now it's time for the fun part, pouring. Slowly and steadily pour the hot liquid into your silicone gummy bear molds. Be careful as it will still be quite hot. After filling the molds, transfer them to the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 30 minutes or until they are completely firm. Then, gently pop out your adorable gummy bears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.